You might not know a lot about the Central Arctic Ocean, but these waters at the heart of the Arctic are central to us all. The Arctic Ocean is extreme in every way, alternating between vibrant summers and cold, dark winters. For 6 months out of the year, the region is engulfed in night. Ice expands to cover over 15 million square kilometers, an area almost as large as Russia. And then, as the sun rises and the ice recedes, the light brings an astonishing burst of life. Phytoplankton begin to bloom in the spring, sometimes beneath the ice. These tiny organisms make their energy from the sun and are the base of the Arctic food web, which includes fish and whales to seals, polar bears, and people. This seasonal change is a rebirth for both the year-round residents and the animals that migrate to and from the region. What happens in the Central Arctic Ocean doesn't stay there. Beneath the surface, currents travel from the Pacific to the Atlantic and back again, moving nutrients across vast distances and connecting waters and peoples. It also acts as the planet's air conditioner. Sea ice reflects the sun's rays, and the circulation of cold air and water helps balance out heat elsewhere in the world. The Central Arctic Ocean is bordered by 5 countries: Canada, the USA, Russia, Norway, and the Kingdom of Denmark, including Greenland. Arctic indigenous peoples live across the region, as they have since time immemorial. Many of these communities continue to depend on rich marine ecosystems, including a healthy Central Arctic Ocean. But the Arctic is changing. For the last few decades, the Arctic has been warming nearly 4 times faster than the rest of the world. The maximum extent of the sea ice has gone down roughly 1.8 million square kilometers. That's about the size of Alaska. As a result, everyone and everything that lives in the Arctic is having to adapt to unfamiliar seasonal patterns and shifts in the ecosystem. As the Central Arctic Ocean changes, shipping, fishing, mining, and oil and gas development are all possibilities in a region that was once inaccessible for much or all of the year. Unless safeguards are put in place, these industries could damage this unique ecosystem even further. These new threats require a new approach, an international agreement that centers indigenous voices, prioritizes marine conservation, and protects this special region that keeps our planet balanced. One way or another, we all depend on the Central Arctic Ocean and must work together to protect it.